Huh? Emerson, shake your maraca. Yay, yay, but a baby day to day. Shake it. Kester, get. There's no more goldfish. What happened, honey? You got your cups? Oh, what'd you get? The going to bed book. Are you sleepy? You want to read it? Okay, are you ready? No? What book is that? Is that the same one? It is. We have two of them. Two. You want to read it? The sun has set not long ago. Oh, you want me to close it? Okay. I don't know if we have any of those, honey. Want me to open it? That one? Okay. I'll read that one to you. The sun has set not long ago. Ooh, look at, they're in a bathtub. Now everyone goes below to take a bath in one big tub. Ooh. With soap all over. Scrub, scrub, scrub. What is it? Hey, can you say the horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town. Beep, beep, beep. Wheels on the bus. You were just singing it a minute ago. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Hey, honey. Goodness. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Can you sit up and clap your hands? Beep, beep, beep. That's right.